Hello you guys, and welcome back to Marcella's Way. And as you saw in the title, today's video is actually different types of specialty HTV. Now first, before we go any further, I just want to let y'all know how much I love y'all, because I put on for y'all my autographed Rhapsody t-shirt. Now, since we're everything and all things t-shirts on this channel, I figured I might as well just go ahead and show out for y'all, okay? But I won't be wearing this shirt for nobody but y'all. Anywho, let's get to the video. Okay, so the first type of specialty vinyl on my list, it's a rainbowish kind of look on it. It actually really looks good on a white t-shirt or a black t-shirt to showcase that rainbowish look on it. It's like rainbow and silver together. I love how that looks. Now, I've never used Adhesive HTV before, but if I'm using my common sense, I would assume it sticks to stuff. Now, this is becoming more popular over time. Like, I'm starting to see literally every print you can think of. It's leopard print, rainbow print, zebra, and lions and tigers and bears. There's everything you can think of. Even patterned vinyls that have character prints on them. And a great place to find these type of vinyls are Etsy. Etsy has a great assortment of these type of vinyls. Another type of specialty vinyl is called glow-in-the-dark vinyl. Now, I know that's it is what it sounds like it is. Glow-in-the-dark vinyl. What do you want me to do? It's glow-in-the-dark. Other types of specialty heat transfer vinyls are Brick 600, Sparkleberry Patterned, Deco Film. These are all vinyls that literally are within the heat transfer family. There are so many different types of heat transfer vinyls out there. I wanted to make sure that I gave you guys a general idea of what exactly they have, so you know exactly what you're looking for. Now, there are a couple places that you can go to find these type of vinyls. For one, you can go to Etsy, like I said. There's another place called Heat Transfer Nation. They offer all of the things that I just named. And also another place is good old Amazon. They also sell all of these items. So you might want to pause this video in certain places and write down the names so you know exactly what you're looking for when you do go to Amazon. And thank you for coming to this channel again. Make sure that you are liking, commenting, and subscribing to this channel. That is greatly appreciated. It makes it so I can make more videos like this, because I want to do anything I can to help you guys. You guys are so amazing. I'm so grateful for all of the love and all of the support. And this channel is growing so fast, and I'm so thankful for every like, comment, and subscription. As always, I have my way so I can inspire you, say it with me, to have a your way.